Welcome! If you want to get iOS launcher on your Motorola One Macro, I'm going to show you how you can get it on the really easy way. So for the first, I'm going to delete this launcher with this external application, the Control Center. We are back with this stock Android, and right now go for the Play Store, tap on search, type here iOS launcher and get application from the Lutin developer, iOS launcher 13. Click install. And right now we can also get the Control Center for iOS 13. So get it. And right now we have to wait a little bit. Right now click on the home button. Select iOS Launcher 13 and tap on the Always. Click We got it. Swipe on the left side and then click right here to grant the permissions. Select all of them. Click Home button one more time. And right now enter the Control Center. Use the switcher. Click Home button one more time. And enter it once again. Swipe, click right here, turn off the ad, click Home button one more time, open the Control Center, and right now click it right here, click OK, use the switcher one more time, open once again, close, open once again, and right now as you can see it's working. So here we got our iOS Launcher 13 on the Motorola One Macro. I hope that I helped you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this launcher. And if you do, just leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!